Grand Rising. I hope y'all didn't think we wasn't having class today. Yes. All right, so yes, we here, and today we're going to be working on puppy pose. And puppy pose is no joke. We definitely have to work out our upper back and our shoulders, but we're going to get right to it, and let's do it. All right, so first we're gonna do some windmills for today. Greetings, we here, we there, we there. Ah, yes. So we're gonna be doing the windmill. Welcome, welcome. We're getting into puppy pose today, but first we're about to get into our exercise. We're gonna do 10 of these here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, yes. Woo. We got 10 of those in. Let's go ahead and we're gonna get 10 of these forward here and 10 back. Yeah? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then now we're gonna go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. All right. So let's go ahead and give it one stretch here. Using the side to hold your balance. Give it some next stretch right here. Open up those sides. Breathe in deep into your side. Yes. Long, deep breaths. And we're going to come back over here again. And we're just going to hold. One deep breath. And back to this side one more time. All right. Okay, one more. We're going to go ahead and give us some jumping jacks. I'm going to give us 10. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pause right there. We're going to do 10 more. We're going to do 10 more. Pause right here. Give that one a rest right there. Woo. So at this point, you should feel your blood rushing, heart pumping. Let's go ahead and give this one right here a twist. Just let it be a rhythm. Just loosening up the back, loosening up the spine. Just twisting back and forth here, not counting. Let your body be free. All right, so before even getting into puppy pose now, we're going to get right here, we're going to get into cat-cow, like so. Palms down. Okay. Hips over knees. Waist over knees. Parallel. First thing you're going to do, gather your breath. We're going to push down towards the ground and round the back. Pushing towards the ground, pushing away from the ground, rounding the back, tucking in the tailbone. Let's take a couple breaths here. Exhale, round the tailbone up, buttocks towards the ceiling, chest towards the sky, heart open. We're going to exhale and breathe here. Let's just sit here for 1 minute and just feel the placement. Okay? Now from this pose right here, we're going to go right into puppy. Alright? So we already have the palms facing down. We already have our shoulders over our wrists, making sure that this is parallel here. Alright? Making sure that our waist over our knees here. Alright? And the first thing I want you to do is to sit back, push back, push back. And we're going to go into child's pose right here. And what I want you to do is to lift the buttocks up. Lift the buttocks up. Still, we have our waist over our knees. We're lifting the buttocks up. Now we're going to push the palms of our hands forward. Push it forward until our forehead meets the ground. Once your forehead meets the ground, I want you to push that waist back as much as you can. We're just going to, push the waist back, and we're going to put the forehead to the ground, and we're going to stretch the arms forward, spine long. Let's take a couple breaths here. Okay. Now, if you feel that is a little bit too much extension on your arms, you can use your block. You can use a book, and you can place your block right here. And instead of bringing the forehead to the ground, you can actually take your forehead. The block kind of elevates you from the ground, kind of releases some of that tension in the shoulders and the neck. And you can go like this. All right, so we're gonna put the hands on the mat, crawl back up. We're gonna crawl back up. All right, coming back to cat and cow. Yes. Now I'm going to show you how to get into puppy pose coming from here. Now see here, we got to position ourselves, and now this time we're just going to walk the hands forward. This time, if you feel a little bit more length, you can actually walk forward enough to kind of bring your chest in more, like so. Walk in more, like so. All right, shoulders together, thighs pushing towards the back, hands stretching forward, spine long. Long deep breath from the core of your belly. And we're going to take our hands and walk back up here. Okay, so that is puppy pose. One more time, we're going to come up here. Okay, legs spread. We're going to come forward. Let's reach forward. We're going into child pose right now. Okay, then you're going to lift the buttocks up. That's right, lift it up. Arms going to come up, just lift it up. And then we're going to take the hands and we're going to crawl them forward. until the forehead reaches the mat. Now, if you want to adjust, this will be the time to pull the legs up more. And to adjust, I would say if you want to adjust this pose to get deeper into this pose, you would have to sink the chest in deeper. Sink the chest in deeper. Now, if you're going to sink the chest in, that means the forehead is not to the ground, but your shin, my shin right here. And let me go ahead and give you this front way as well. Just make sure that you can kind of see the movement. Okay? We're here. Okay? Coming down. Reaching forward. Yes, those arms is going to fold in, but we're stretching those arms out, forehead to the mat, and we're sinking those arms in. We're sinking the arms in. You're going to feel the shoulders sinking down to the mat. Okay? We're holding here. 5 breaths. Now, you shouldn't feel any discomfort in the shoulders. If you do, you can go ahead and use the hands to pull up a bit. And then push the hips back. When you push the hips back, that's what helps you get into the proper form. We're here, and we're push the hips back, pushing back, pushing back, pushing back until forehead hits the mat. And that is puppy pose for today. All right? All right, so enjoy the rest of your day. Yes, try that puppy pose, but make sure you really give yourself some of that arm exercises. Get your arms and everything warm, or you will feel it. You definitely will feel it. You can give yourself some of these. Let me go ahead and leave you with one more arm stretch that you can do with the wall. One of my favorites. Let's go ahead and bring the camera up here. Now you can make sure your chest is on the wall, and you can bring your hands up like so. And that's when you can slide down. Keeping chest on the wall. This is another great way to get your arms and your back ready for the stretch. This is a nice stretch for the back. To release, you just come up, release. All right, one more time. You're gonna come up on the wall, the chest to the wall. Put your hands up, sliding it down. Sometimes you can take the feet away and push up on the wall as well, like so. This is another stretch that is great for opening up the chest and the back. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day. Later, later.